Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mobeen Malik and I am a student of Mechatronics engineering in Air University Islamabad. I have been assigned to work out a 2-bit comparator which will be used to compare a pair of 2-bit numbers and indicate whether they are equal or not. And if they are unequal, which one of them is a greater number. Now, for that I have made a truth table in which you can see the inputs A and B show the number n1 and C and D show a number n2. And here are the three outputs in which F1 will show if the n1 and n2 are equal, F2 will show if n1 is greater than n2, and F3 will show if n2 is greater than n1. So in places where n1 is equal to n2, like here, where A and B both are 0 and C and D are 0, they are equal. So I have put a 1 here. And in places where number n2, C and D is greater than the number n1, like here, I have put a 1 in F3. This is the basis on which this truth table is designed. After the truth table is designed, Karnaugh maps are used to derive proper and minimalistic inputs involving the least number of gates. 3 outputs mean that 3 K maps, one for each set of output, has to be designed, which also means that there will be 3 sets of gates. The simulation of these equations with the help of gates is shown in this schematic made in Proteus. As you can see, there are the 2-bit inputs. These 2 inputs show the number 1 and these 2 inputs show the number 2. If we observe the output, this logic probe will show if the numbers are equal. This will show if the number A is greater than the number B, and this will show if the number A is less than number B. If I talk about the demonstration, right now this number is 0 and this number is also 0, which shows that 0 is equal to 0, and here the logic probe with the equality sign is showing that these 2 numbers are equal. If I make the number 1 greater than the number 2 and do it like this, we can see that the greater probe is on. And if I make them equal again by doing it like this, the equal one is on again. But if I make the number 1 less than number 2, then this probe also works. This was the demonstration of the comparator that we have built by using proper logic gates, Karnaugh maps, and the simulation in Proteus. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.